Alright, the first thing I notice is really a pretty cool box for a factory knife especially. So this box is hard cardboard, but it's not a slip design, it's a fold design with a safety seal or a, hey, this is legit and hasn't been opened. It's got a nice magnetic closure, which again, better than I expected to see. It's got instructions, first thing there. For those of you that speak German, congratulations on your new Boker knife, if I recall right. I assume there's probably an English version somewhere. Alright, so the knife that I've got here is Brad Zinker's Boker Plus Urban Trapper. Overall length, you can see, is a little over 4 inches. It is made with titanium scales, is the one I've got. It comes in a few other options. This is a VG10 blade. So this is a what they call a flipper knife. It's got a little tab right here, and you just go shloop, and it pops right out. Action is, to me, pretty good. Again, I'm not a folder guy. I don't know all the technicalities of what it's supposed to be like. I do know that for not knowing anything, I can pick it up and flip it. I can flip it blind, like I don't have to look at it. I don't have to feel it. I can just do it without even paying any attention. That's something that is important to me as a knife user. Another good thing I like about this one is that it is so super thin. It's got barely 1/8 steel with barely 1/8 titanium liners. Whole thing doesn't weigh 2 ounces probably, even though it's a full-size 4-inch knife. Nice and thin, got a good wide pocket clip. It's currently set up for tip-up carry, so you pull it out of your pocket and it's ready right there to flip. The blade is dirty. The blade is a VG10 stainless steel, and what I want you to see right there is that it's got a longitudinal finish, just like a hand sand. I don't know how they pulled that off of the machine, but it's got a good, clean, longitudinal finish. Of course, comes out sharp as all get out. Nice rounded swedges, not too sharp. It's called an Urban Trapper because this is your basic slip joint trapper profile knife. It just looks like a traditional knife, except it's made on a modern style with a liner lock. Couple of points of criticism here, not to pick on my friend Brad. They've cut the edges off of these circles, which is cool, but you might bevel it just a little further. The flipper here needs to be grippy enough so you can grab it, but it's a little bit pointy. Like I may take some stones or something and round that off a hair. Again, the lock, feel it stick just a hair. There's no play. Everything's super tight, like it's supposed to be. When I'm trying to undo it, I can feel just a little bit of funk there. Can't quite tell, but again, for a factory knife, pretty darn good. I'm very impressed. If you have not seen or tried by now Brad Zinker's Boker Plus Urban Trapper, you're missing out. They're available all over the internet. Brad does make these custom as well. They are quite pricier than the Boker version, but super slick. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.